Hi, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use Yatra e-voucher. In order to use Yatra e-voucher, visit www.yatra.com and open the desktop version. Now make your travel plans and search for the flights. Select your flight and click on book. Enter your personal information and press proceed to the payment page. Scroll down and select gift vouchers from the payment options. Enter the gift voucher number and press redeem gift card. The voucher amount would be ready to be used at the time of checkout. The remaining amount, if any, can be paid via any other payment method. Please note that cumulative voucher redemption is only possible by calling Yatra customer care. Now that you have learned how to use the Yatra e-voucher, here are some important instructions that you can also check on www.gifter.com/Yatra. Thanks for shopping with Gifter.